This is attorney Thomas B. Burton. Today I wanted to talk about some steps my office is taking in response to the recent COVID-19 pandemic worldwide and in the USA, commonly known as coronavirus. Because we work with many clients of all age groups, I am being especially sensitive to try to protect those older adults who are most at risk of the effects of this disease. First of all, if you have a meeting scheduled with my office and you are at all feeling ill, please let my office know at least 12 hours in advance of your meeting, and we will work to reschedule your meeting or hold it virtually by video conference or by phone. If you can give us 24 hours notice, that's even better. But before you come into the office, please let us know by email or phone, and we will work with you to reschedule your meeting or hold it by phone or by video conference. My office is fully equipped to operate virtually and remotely with most clients for most matters. So if you have questions about using technology to conference with me via video or by phone, please send those in by email and we'll answer them as they come in and work to assist you to use either your own personal computer or your mobile device to connect with us via either Skype or Zoom or a phone conference. Second, for documents, we ask that you use U.S. mail as much as possible to return documents to our office. In order to limit person-to-person contact during this time, and in order to protect the staff who work with me, if at all possible, if you're returning something requested, if you can scan it to me by email, that's great. If you don't know how to scan it to me, the second best option is to mail it to my office, and I will receive it in 2 to 3 days. Another option would be you could fax it to me. I also allow you to drop documents off, but during this time it would be better if you can use U.S. mail or scanning those documents to me. Then I can fully review them and get back to you, and again we can discuss them via phone or video conference. For all meetings going forward that are currently scheduled, we'll plan to hold your meeting unless you are feeling at all ill, in which case I ask you to notify the office in advance. This is a developing situation, so we may update our policies consistent with CDC guidelines and directives from the state of Wisconsin and the court system. So I wanted to provide this brief overview of things we're doing to protect both our clients and our staff and ourselves during this time. We want you to be well. We are fully available and operational, and again my office is already equipped to work with you remotely, so during this time we don't anticipate any major interruptions to the work on your case. If you have any questions about any of this, please contact the office by email preferred, or set up a time to discuss with me by phone. Thank you and have a great day.